Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to solve the problem on Codeforces, elevator or stairs. I want to mention that my channel is dedicated to help people who are preparing for any Java interviews or coding interviews. You will find a lot of helpful videos on my channel for your Java J2 interview preparation as well as your coding interview preparation. You will find over 200 solved different varieties of coding questions which were previously asked coding interview problems in Google, Apple, Microsoft, Yahoo, Amazon, and many other big tech companies. So if you are preparing for any coding interviews or Java J2E interviews, then this channel can definitely help you in your interview preparation. So please subscribe to this channel. So let's look into the problem statement of elevators or stairs. So Masha lives in a multi-story building where floors are numbered with positive integers. Two floors are called adjacent if their numbers differ by 1. So for example, like floor 4 and floor 5, they are adjacent basically. Right? Masha decided to visit Igor. Masha lives on floor X, Igor lives on floor Y, not on the same floor. The house has a staircase and an elevator. If Masha uses the stairs, it takes T1 seconds for her to walk between adjacent floors in each direction. The elevator passes between adjacent floors in each way in T2 seconds. The elevator moves with doors closed. The elevator spends T3 seconds to open or close the doors. We can assume that the time is not spent on any action except moving between adjacent floors and waiting for the doors to open or close. If Masha uses the elevator, it immediately goes directly to the desired floor. Coming out of the apartment on her floor, Masha noticed that the elevator is now on the floor Z and has closed doors. Now she has to choose whether to use stairs or use elevator. If the time that Masha needs to get to the Egor's floor by the stairs is strictly less than the time it will take by using elevator, then she will use stairs. Otherwise, she will use elevator. So basically, whatever is the faster way, she will use basically, right? Help Mary to understand whether to use elevator or stairs. So the input is given in the format XYZ T1, T2, T3, where X is the number like the floor Masha is at. For example, if you look at this example, then she is on fifth floor, right? Then the next one is a floor Masha wants to get to. So next floor is 1. So she want to go to floor 1 basically. The next parameter is the where the elevator is located, right? So elevator is located initially on floor 4, and then they have given us T1, T2, T3, which is time it takes Masha to pass between two floors by stairs, which is 4. So from one floor to another floor she can walk in 4 seconds, right? Uh, then the time takes elevator to pass between two floors, so 2 seconds it will take from between moving between two floors, right? And the time it takes the elevator to pass between two floors and time it takes the elevator to close or open door. So 1 second it will take for opening door or closing door, right? It is guaranteed that x is not equal to y, means basically the floor she is on and where she want to go, those are separate floors or different floors, right? They have already given it here. So now let's look at what output is expected. So if time it will take to use the elevator is not greater than the time it will take to use the stairs, print yes, otherwise print no. So the problem description is pretty straightforward, and this is the way the input is given. So let's just take this example over here in the whiteboard. So I just converted into kind of a Java variables. So it is the same input that is given to us. So she is on the floor 5 in the beginning. She want to go to floor 1, and the elevator start floor means where elevator is first. It is on fourth floor, right? And she can walk between adjacent floors in 4 seconds, right? So from one floor to another floor she can walk in 4 seconds, which is adjacent floors, right? So what it means is she can walk, let's say if she is on fourth floor and she want to walk to third floor, it takes her 4 seconds, right? That's what it means basically. Then time elevator time, elevator is how much time it will take for elevator to go between two floors. So from 4 to 3 it will take elevator 2 seconds basically, right? 2 seconds. And time to close door or open door is 1. So open or close both are same, 1, right? So these are the parameters which are given to us in the input. So to decide whether she can use elevator or stair, it is for sure that we have to calculate both the times, right? How much time it will take if she walks using stairs, and how much time it will take for the elevator, right? If she is using elevator. So both we have to calculate. So first let's calculate how much time it will take if she's walking the floor, right? So she is on the fifth floor. As you can see, she is using stairs and she want to go to first floor, right? So for each floor, walking takes 4 seconds. It's given, right? So total floors is 5 minus 1, which is 4. So 4 into 4, total time it will take her is 16 seconds. If she is walking, right? 16 seconds it will take. So now we will have to calculate the how much time it will take if she is taking the elevator. So we have to calculate step by step for elevator, right? How we have to calculate? The elevator is on the 4th floor first, and elevator has to go, she is on the 5th floor. So the elevator will go from 4th floor to 5th floor. So how much it will take? 2 seconds, right? As it's given here, 2 seconds for each floor. So it will take 2 seconds to reach to number 5. After that the door will open and she will get into the elevator and the door will close. So opening is 1 second, door closing is 1 second. That is also given to us. After that the elevator will start going down, right? And she will reach on first floor using elevator. So these are 4 floors. Each time it will take 2 seconds, right? So 2 into 4 is equal to 8. So that is 8 seconds it takes to reach here on first floor. After that, once the elevator reaches on first floor, the door will open, right? So again it will take 1 second. So these many activities will happen when she is taking elevator. So how much time it is taking? 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 3 is equal to 13 seconds it is taking, right? Which means that it is smaller than the if she is walking. So she should take elevator. So we have to print yes, right? We have to print yes, she should take elevator. So as you can see, the example here they have given, we are printing yes here, right? So this is how we are going to solve this problem. We have to do step by step calculation. It is a simple problem, but I'm just creating videos. It is good for like junior Java developers, or in case of initial screening rounds, these kind of questions can be asked. And you need to explain how you can like solve these kind of problems using step by step approach, right? There is no tricky solution here. It's just step by step. You have to calculate both times and compare the both times. So let's go to the Java solution part. So same inputs are given to us. So start floor is given where she is on in the beginning. Goal floor is where she want to go. Elevator start floor is where the elevator is in the beginning. Time to walk is time to walk between it each adjacent floor is given. Time elevator is equal to 2. It is time takes for a elevator to move between adjacent floors in each direction, right? And time to close the door or time to open the door, both are same. So this is also given to us. So first thing is we will calculate, she has two options, stairs and elevator. So we just calculate created two variables. So calculating the stairs option is pretty straightforward. We have to just do start floor minus goal floor. We will just take absolute of that value and we will have to multiply by time to walk, right? That much time will be taken for the stairs option. Now for elevator option we will just initialize it with 0, and as I mentioned in the whiteboard, we have to do all these steps calculation, right, to reach to how much time it takes actually, total time, right? So that's what we are doing here. So first thing is time to come elevator to the floor where you are on. So we will calculate that using start floor minus where elevator is, right? Like 5 minus 4, which is 1, into 2, right, which is 2. So we will just add 2 here. So it's same like what we seen here, right? So this 2 is done. So after that, once the elevator comes to the floor, then the door will open and door will close. So these two things we have to add into the calculation. After that, the elevator will start moving between the goal, like the floor you are on, and between the goal floor. So that's what we are doing, goal floor minus start floor, and we are taking absolute and we are multiplying by time it takes for an elevator to move between adjacent floors, right? So 5 minus 1, which is 4, into 2, which is 8, right? So this is what we are doing here. What 8 we are doing, this is opening and closing of the door, and then again opening of the door is left, right? So here is the opening of the door that we are adding at the end, right? Once the door opens, she can get out of the elevator, and then she will reach to the floor where she want to go. So total we will calculate, once we calculate both options, we will compare elevator with the stairs option. If elevator is less than or equal to stairs, then we will print yes, otherwise print no. So let's just execute this code, we should get yes. So we are getting yes, which is correct answer. Let's take one negative test case where we will get no. So let's just put this one 166211. So I'll just modify this example. So it is basically 166211, right? 211, and time to close and open is again same, which is 1. So now we are taking another example. Let's see. So we are getting no, we are getting the correct answer here, as you can see. Now we are getting, we can take this another example also, 417 412, just to make sure that our solution works. 417 412, right? 412. So it's 417 412, so we should get yes here. So we are getting yes. So same way, like we have to do all these steps, and that we have done here to calculate how much steps it takes, and then based on that we will print yes or no. So this is how we can solve the elevator or stairs problem on Codeforces. I'll put the Java code in my GitHub repository and give you the link in the description. If you are new to my channel, there is a Codeforces playlist I created where a lot of Codeforces solved problems explained with examples and Java code are there. And the Java code solutions is also provided on my GitHub repository. You can also check it out there. Also on my channel there is a big playlist called as Leetcode and Leetcode solutions, and those problems are previously asked coding interview questions by big tech companies like Amazon, Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Yahoo, Apple, and many other big tech companies. So you can go through them when you are taking any coding interviews. You can practice those problems. That will be definitely helpful to you. If you like this video, if you find it helpful and you like it the way it's created with whiteboarding examples and Java code, please give it a like. Also share, I also subscribe to the channel. Your subscription to the channel is really important for us, because that is the way the videos can reach to more people who need help in understanding and solving coding problems. The main goal of the channel is to help as many people as possible in their Java J2 interviews and coding interviews. So they can also see these videos and learn from these videos how to approach different varieties of problems and what data structures of Java can be used and applied to solve different varieties of problems. They can learn by seeing these videos. So if you like this video, please give it a like. If you have any questions related to the video, please put your questions below the description, and share this video with your friends and colleagues. And thanks for watching this video.